Are you ready to unlock the secrets to a vibrant and healthy life, even as the years add up? Welcome to Healthy Cure Channel, your go-to destination for practical tips on staying healthy and active as we embrace the golden years. I'm Petro, your host and wellness enthusiast, and today, we're diving deep into the fascinating world of aging gracefully and maintaining optimal health every step of the way. As we journey through life, our bodies undergo remarkable changes, presenting us with new challenges and opportunities to prioritize our well-being. In this video, we'll uncover the essential strategies and habits that can make a world of difference in how we feel, move, and thrive as we grow older. So, sit back, relax, and get ready to embark on a transformative exploration of health and longevity with me. Aging is a natural process that affects every aspect of our bodies. As the years pass, our once robust systems gradually undergo transformations that can impact our overall health and well-being. One of the noticeable changes is the decline in muscle mass, which can lead to decreased strength and mobility. Additionally, our metabolism tends to slow down with age, making it more challenging to maintain a healthy weight and energy levels. Alongside these changes, aging also brings about an increased risk of chronic diseases. Conditions such as heart disease, diabetes, and arthritis become more prevalent as we age, requiring careful management and proactive health measures. Understanding these shifts in our bodies is crucial in developing effective strategies to promote longevity and quality of life as we navigate the aging process. Nutrition plays a pivotal role in maintaining optimal health, especially as we age. A well-balanced diet provides essential nutrients that support our body's functions, boost immunity, and help prevent chronic diseases. For seniors, paying attention to key nutrients becomes even more critical. Calcium, vital for bone health and strength, becomes a cornerstone nutrient to prevent osteoporosis and fractures. Vitamin D, often called the sunshine vitamin, aids in calcium absorption and supports immune function, crucial for overall well-being. In addition to calcium and vitamin D, seniors benefit greatly from fiber-rich foods that promote digestive health, regulate blood sugar levels, and lower cholesterol. Including a variety of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and legumes in their diet ensures an adequate intake of fiber. Antioxidants, found abundantly in colorful fruits and vegetables, help combat oxidative stress, reduce inflammation, and protect against age-related diseases such as heart disease and cognitive decline. Emphasizing the consumption of antioxidant-rich foods like berries, leafy greens, and nuts can significantly contribute to long-term health in older adults. A balanced diet tailored to older adults also emphasizes the importance of hydration. Dehydration is common among seniors and can lead to various health issues, including fatigue, confusion, and urinary tract infections. Encouraging regular intake of water, herbal teas, and hydrating foods like soups, fruits, and vegetables not only helps maintain proper hydration levels but also supports overall vitality and wellness. By prioritizing these key nutrients and hydration strategies, seniors can nourish their bodies effectively and enjoy a higher quality of life in their golden years. Staying physically active is a cornerstone of healthy aging, offering a myriad of benefits that can significantly enhance overall well-being. One of the primary advantages is improved mobility and flexibility, allowing seniors to maintain independence and perform daily activities with ease. Engaging in regular physical activity also supports heart health by boosting cardiovascular function, lowering blood pressure, and reducing the risk of heart disease and stroke. Moreover, physical exercise has profound effects on mental well-being, promoting a positive mood, reducing stress and anxiety, and enhancing cognitive function. For seniors looking to stay active, a variety of suitable exercises cater to different fitness levels and preferences. Walking stands out as a low-impact yet effective form of exercise that can be easily incorporated into daily routines, promoting cardiovascular endurance and joint health. Swimming offers a gentle yet full-body workout, ideal for seniors with joint pain or arthritis. Yoga, with its focus on flexibility, balance, and mindfulness, provides holistic benefits for both body and mind. Additionally, strength training, when done with proper guidance and modifications, helps maintain muscle mass, bone density, and functional strength, contributing to overall physical resilience in older adults. Mental health is a vital aspect of overall well-being, particularly as we age. Staying mentally sharp and emotionally resilient plays a socially engaged, which fosters a sense of connection, belonging, and emotional support. Regular social interactions, whether with friends, family, or community groups, can help combat feelings of loneliness and isolation, promoting mental well-being and overall happiness. In addition to social engagement, maintaining cognitive function is essential for healthy aging. Engaging in brain exercises, such as puzzles, crosswords, and memory games, stimulates neural pathways, enhances cognitive skills, and can even help prevent cognitive decline. Furthermore, pursuing hobbies and interests that challenge the mind, such as learning a new language, playing a musical instrument, or engaging in creative activities, provides mental stimulation and a sense of fulfillment, contributing to a positive outlook and mental resilience in older adults. Managing chronic conditions is a crucial aspect of maintaining good health as we age, as many individuals may face challenges such as arthritis, diabetes, hypertension, and other long-term health issues. Arthritis, characterized by joint inflammation and pain, can be managed through a combination of medication, physical therapy, and lifestyle modifications such as maintaining a healthy weight and engaging in low-impact exercises. Diabetes, a condition affecting blood sugar levels, requires careful monitoring, medication adherence, a balanced diet, and regular exercise to keep glucose levels in check and prevent complications. Similarly, hypertension, or high blood pressure, is a common concern among older adults, and can be managed effectively through medications prescribed by healthcare providers. Regular blood pressure monitoring, adopting a heart-healthy diet low in sodium and saturated fats, maintaining a healthy weight and engaging in regular physical activity. Lifestyle adjustments such as stress management techniques, adequate sleep, and avoiding tobacco and excessive alcohol consumption also play a vital role in managing chronic conditions and promoting overall well-being in older individuals. In conclusion, we've explored essential strategies for maintaining good health in old age, including the importance of nutrition, regular physical activity, mental well-being, and managing chronic conditions. Remember, a balanced diet rich in key nutrients, staying physically active, fostering social connections, and effectively managing chronic conditions are pillars of a healthy lifestyle as we age. I encourage you to implement the tips shared in this video and prioritize your health by seeking professional advice for personalized health plans. Don't forget to subscribe to Healthy Cure channel for more valuable health-related content and updates. Also, consider exploring our #1 medical garden kit in the description below, designed to help you grow nutrient-rich foods and herbal medicine in your backyard and take another step towards living a vibrant and healthy lifestyle. See you in the next video.